Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to hide the pop-up menu bar in VirtualBox. I have been asked a couple of times, how do you do this? For example, if I go into full screen and go switch, down the bottom here we have a pop-up menu box which allows you to do all the normal things, but a lot of people don't actually want this in their full screen. And to hide this, all you need to do is get back out of full screen mode, and you now need to go back to the main part of your VirtualBox manager and right click on the virtual machine that you want to remove it from and go to settings. And you now need to go down to user interface, and you now need to select this box here where it says show in full screen next to mini toolbar, and we now need to go OK. And if I now go back to my virtual machine and go back into full screen mode, and there we go, as you can see there is no longer a toolbar at the bottom, and it really is that simple. I hope this little tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.